Here's what we're looking at on the satellite radar composite picture. Obviously, we're looking at tropical depression number 1 as it sits right off of the Florida coast here. It is a Storm Team 5 weather alert day because we do think that some bands of heavy rainfall will sweep on shore, especially later on today. We could see gusty winds, lightning, some very fast downpours, and we have the potential, whenever we have a tropical system like this nearby, for isolated weak tornadic activity. And that's something we'll be watching for later on today. So here's the latest from the National Hurricane Center. It is the first tropical depression of the season. Winds are at 35 miles per hour. It is currently moving west at 2 miles per hour, but that will be pretty short-lived. It is expected to take a turn to the north later today and expected to increase in strength to a tropical storm. It will be the first named storm of the season, and it will be Arthur, Tropical Storm Arthur, by later on today and tonight. Then it is expected to move quickly up to the north. You can see this is 2 o'clock tomorrow morning, already north of Melbourne here, and then moving up to Georgia and up into the Carolinas by the time we get to Thursday. And then this is pretty interesting, and this changed early this morning, could intensify into a Category 1 hurricane on the 4th of July as it's off the North Carolina coast and heads up past Massachusetts and all the way up into the Canadian Maritimes by the time we get to the weekend. So for us, the main impact will be today and tomorrow somewhat. As it begins to move away tomorrow, it will have less of an impact on us, but we could still see showers and thunderstorms tomorrow as moisture is drawn up from the south. We'll wait for the computer to catch up here for just a moment, but we're going to take a look at live Viper 5 Max. And here's a quick look at the spaghetti models I want to show you too. All of them in very good agreement that this is going to head to the north later on today. Lisa?
All right, so right now we're already seeing a little bit of a very light isolated rainfall, especially up near the Treasure Coast, but most of us are dry this morning, and that's what I want you to understand about the forecast today, is that the morning hours is not going to be what we're concerned about. It's by the afternoon. So you see all that rain sitting off the coast. Now that is associated with that tropical depression. So some of those bands are already starting to make it into the Treasure Coast. We did see a little bit of light rainfall up near Sebastian and Vero Beach this morning, but by this afternoon I'm expecting more widespread showers and a couple of strong thunderstorms. So it could be some heavy rainfall at times today. So here's what you can expect today. Heavy bands of rainfall will be making their way mainly after 2 p.m. today, so the morning hours looking okay. Some strong thunderstorms. This is mainly going to be afternoon and an evening event. So again, the morning hours are all right. Here's 7 o'clock this morning. See all the rain still off the coast here. I do think that this particular model is underdoing the rainfall a little bit. It's keeping it too far away from the coast. I think that we will see more rainfall on the coast as well as inland throughout the day today. So some of our computer models are hinting at a much heavier rainfall by the afternoon hours, and I think we will see heavy rainfall at times. We will also see some periods of sunshine this morning, so that's why you could be fooled by the afternoon hours. So 88 degrees this afternoon. It will be warm and humid with a chance for some scattered, isolated, heavy rainfall this afternoon.